how to book flights on Skiplagged, book round trip on Skiplagged. Now, if you want to book a flight, especially a round trip on Skiplagged, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. Now, what you have to do is first you have to open up Skiplagged and then you have to book two separate one-way flights, right? So now normally you could be able to use two-way tickets, but then in some cases you will not be able to find it. So in that case, you have to book two separate tickets but using a one-way flight. Now Skiplagged itself doesn't offer a round-trip booking option directly, meaning you'll have to treat your outbound and return flights as independent bookings, and you'll find separate booking buttons for each leg of your journey, and you must look or book both to complete your itinerary. Now you can simply select where do you want to go. First you want to book your going flight, and then after that you want to book your return flight as well. That's just how you make a round trip, because directly within the app we do not have the option to make a round trip. So I hope this video pretty much helped you clarify. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.